Surface Education. Today, jobs review about Canadian government. Free working visa. You should be apply and achieve a golden opportunities. I hope this video is fruitful to you and your friend also. Before starting my videos and review about Canadian jobs, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and bell icon press. Canadian government 2023 are announced a huge number of government Canadian private sector companies to the labor shortage to capture international talent. Millions of job opportunities are created by the strong economy of Canada each year in each of their sector. Therefore, you need to take it seriously and you have to find a highly paid permanent jobs in Canada. Current Prime Minister of Canada also motivating Canadian federal and provincial government to fast track the hire process of international applicant for jobs in Canada. This is for golden opportunities for all the international candidates who are willing to apply, who are willing to take a job in other countries and well developed countries. Canada is giving the opportunities. Look, therefore, millions of jobs in the Canadian market are also available for international students. There is a lot of benefits, a lot of salary packages you have to be offers the Canadian government. Due to the top Canadians, top talented, top Canadian government, private sectors are willing to give a chance. Salary packages and allowances offered by the Canadian government in job specification 2023. You look, the first one, sponsor Canada work visa. Number 2, highly salary in every Canadian department. Number 3, annual bonus, dinners, tours, and similar perks. Sponsor health care facilities for employee and their family also. First class accommodation facilities with life and general insurance. Chance to obtain permanent residency in Canada. Chance to obtain permanent residency in Kenya. Canada, you must be understand this topic and this point. Canadian government in 2023, the first one is Canadian Armed Forces jobs and recruitment cycle. Officer job in Canada Army. There are a lot of troops duties provided by the commands and lead soldier and mission and so on. If you are willing to take a jobs about Canadian Armed Forces, you have a golden job. As an officer, not a troops, not an enemy or and so and an army officer average salary is 78,384 per year. Oh, captain jobs in Canadian Army. If you are willing to have a good qualification, good physical balance, and good outlook and powers for running, for jumping, and so on. If you have to take a jobs in Canada as a captain, so you have again a golden opportunities. Military, especially when allowances, bonuses, combat pay are factored in. Captain lead and direct group of between 100 to 200 soldiers working under your command. This is very important. Military espionage jobs in Canada Army. This should be created according to analysis, dissemination, and intelligence data for senior military leader, government of, officials, and policymakers during missions. You have to take a target creation, a target, create a situation awareness, and so on. Your salary as an intelligence specialist earn 74,066 per year. IT officer job in Canadian Army. If you are willing to how to apply, you can search on Google Canadian IT officer jobs, easy to apply, and this is very simple. This job is related to information technology in Army International Technology. That's very secret and that's very important. Army Information Technology. Application link for Canada Armed Forces should be there. You can see that forces.ca. Apply for this is our registration now. Apply now. Am I eligible? Be a Canadian citizen. Be at least 18 years old, 70-year-old with parental consent. This is complete list grade 10 for 2024 credit. Ready to get started. This is a pure Canadian website where you have to apply about Navy, Army, Air Forces, women in the CAF, values and ethics. This is the totally Canadian platforms where you have to apply and get more and more and more opportunities, and also you have take a permanent residency in Canada because you are not a common man. You are a army. You are a captain. You are IT assistant in army staff. This is apply now. Simply click on apply now, and this process will be started. This is the website forces.ca. Forces.ca Canada. This is the website we have you to touch. You can also join Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, and so on. Let's come back to the point. Financial consultant jobs in Canada. There is number of four listed business position where you have to apply. Average salary is 55,000 to 62,971 dollars. This is your annual salary. Average salary in finance jobs. This is the four companies: Accenture, Tentos, Level 5 Strategy, and McKinsey. There is a opportunities career website you can visit. About you have to apply as a sales officer. This is Canada. Here is the job specifications: acting as assignment, deployment, intermediate. This is apply now. You have to apply now. 1st March in 2024 is your email address, your passwords, and you need before apply before as registered candidate. So that's why this is the website. Look, you can see that, and so on. Let's start how to apply. I will tell you. Then you have any problem facing during applying online, then you told me. I will support to you. Nurse practitioner jobs in Canada. This is related to medical field, diagnosis, treatment, advice, medication, and so on. As a nurse practitioner has a salary of 96,747 to 148,590, which is inclusive of all the allowances offered to the nurse practitioner. The minimum qualification position 2 years of experience as a registered nurse within the last 5 years. Firefighter jobs in Canada. This is the golden opportunity for those who are have take experience about firefighting. Though you should be apply and get a chance on jobs in Canada. Firefighter median income is $79,000, increase annually last 5 years 15%. This is a link about you have to apply as a Canadian firefighter. Date is extended, so I will engineer in the aerospace industry and Canadian police job, facility cleaner, janitor jobs, construction work jobs in Canada, near about 64,900 position in 23 with about 259,100 people expected to retire by 2023, and this is a minimum salary 39,000 to 50,000 and a person can be earns. Banking jobs in Canada. and the manager of business development, accountant jobs in Canada, driving jobs in Canada. If you have a solid and LTV, HTV license, you are willing to apply and as a driver in Canada. Healthcare in Canada, doctor jobs in Canada, nursing jobs in Canada, surgeon jobs in Canada, psychologist jobs in